Wek chap color wek chap komot kacha tung tweng balag wek yakol obulo ren dinka ren tongjang apoli warali namanet en wik tan baren dinka wala ren tong monjang te koch ren koch yek te ka chol tan ba ki ngich kayakol ugabulo ren ter karalten ke kato thori ake chabay ku akaye ku kirwa wan relo panabun o emit ay ku kirwak o te chin kadang kirwak ache iban morno e laitak ay reneka abakang kirwak na chaka kirwak kabajal kwen na iran ping kayin bujala wagich na chi wage dedi kayin bujal ban lo kwen ben ren jal ben kwen air ich kayin in chalor dawit ping jul ping adik ya na pat abajok bawak bakikang kit wala bung chol wala dud kwal chol bul yak deng chantong dud chwar wal kwala chwil nyal lwal wuchung dud kwa chirik bol majok tong bul mayar pon yor madud ngar wuchu yor nyal chan ya garang deng again baban dupin wala bung chol wala dud kwal chol bul yak deng chantong madud chwar wal kwala chwil nyal lwal wuchung dud kwa chirik bol majok tong bul mayar pon yor madud ngar wuchu yor nyal chan ya garang deng. Yes, that is it. Ente uka kitin wan achan bukalai dedi kumana bajal kwen wol abung chol wol abuk chol bol adut kwal chol bul yak deng chan tong ma dut chwar wal achwil nyal lwal ushu dut kwach rik bol majok tong bul mayar puot yor madut ngor ushu yor nyal chan yak garang deng ababan dupin wol abuk chol bol adut kwal chol bul yak deng chan tong dut chwar wal kwal achwil nyal lwal ushu dut kwach rik bol majok tong bul mayar puot yor madut ngor ushu yor nyal chan yak garang deng. You can see here yak garang is is garang in English, and if we write it in English way, we're supposed to put ng here. ng we just put we just change it into dinka nga to be ga a ra a nga, so ng is combined to be nga in dinka. The same here, deng is supposed to be deng in English, but in dinka we change ng into nga to be da e nga deng ga a ra a nga garang. You see, the same here, tong is supposed to be t o n g in English, but in Thongjang or in Dinka we change o into o. This is o like this is changed into o, tong ta o. Then ng is changed into nga ta O ng ta ong tong ta ong tong. The same, yeah, it's very easy. So these are some of the name in Dinka. If you are interested, uh, you will make a request so that I do other video about the other names. Yes, thank you for those who will go and watch this video, and any question you put it in the comment section, we will meet there. Kindly subscribe and turn on notifications so that you get our videos when we upload them. Also, you like the videos so that YouTube can recommend it to other YouTubers. Okay, bye. Thank you.